This is the original seat track. I took out the section that holds the ratcheting mechanism for the back of the seat, and with a little cleanup, I think it's going to go right here. And we'll connect it to the tube and connect it to that wire right there. Make a little support if I have to. But that'll spring load the back of our seat and not be too gaudy. It's actually pretty cool. Just got to clean off the powder coated paint. And I got to do it to the other one. There it is. Getting old, man. I can't bend over anymore. Okay, one more. I put the seat up on a piece of 2x6 to get it off the floor because that wants to bottom out, of course. So that's level with what would be the floor, and my new bracket's level with what would be the floor. I had to find the center, the marker right there, and there's a little notch on the top that I made. Yeah, I know, I don't have any gloves on, but it's only a little one. Pretty. Oops, took my ground off. What the hell? Ah, wrong one. It's insulated between the back seat and the front seat because of those bushings, so keep forgetting that. Yeah, it's compliments of the welding elf. I got my little slits, gotta weld those suckers up. Ooh, everything's hot. Maybe I should get my glove. Here it is. Imagine that 2 feet away and I don't put it on. Yeah, and I'm going to weld it on the back side only because I can. Right down in that crack there. Ooh. I got 2 more pens to fill the slits. Thinking I should make sure it sits flat. Oh yeah, it sits flat. Of course it sits flat. I got that board on it. There's that board. We'll try it again. See, just a little bit up, I would think. A little bit up on this one. Let me get my thing, a wrench. Not that high. That's okay. I'll weld this one. Freaking ground snaps off. Gotta get a better ground. Ooh, that's pretty. This one now. I have to tap it down now. Crap, and it's gonna break. Guaranteed. That ain't gonna take that kind of stress. Watch. Snap! Ooh, I'm impressed. Didn't break. Beautiful. Buzz Allen. Little windy, but didn't affect me. The wind will blow away your shielding gas and then you're screwed. It looks like you're arc welding. But I'll give you a view here. That's one bracket, 2 brackets, the back side, and the front. Just a little cleanup, and we'll sit it right in the car. Now, because of my tubing floor doesn't exactly conform to this, I gotta make a filler hole out of it. I think it was 3/4. Nah, probably 1-inch plywood, but there you go. It's tilting because that's hitting the ground. If I put my board under it, should be okay. Relatively close. Once them bolts are yanking it down, it ain't gonna care. What's that? My little triangular aircraft looking bracket. Well, they either paint it black or green or who knows what. I wanted to have like a triangular shape so I get enough room for upholstery to stretch over and not look so gaudy here, you know what I mean? But that'll clean up nice, and I think I'll put a weld in there too. But that's it. I gotta go to work. Have a good day.